It's Bonfire weekend, so I'm gonna go see some fireworks today with my dad. Yeah, my no makeup challenge is still going, that's why I'm covering it with this hood. I might as well be in like Star Wars right now with the massive hood thingy. But anyway, I am gonna do that. I'm gonna go see some fireworks and I'll have some dinner, and then tomorrow I'm hopefully going to Defected in the house. So that's my weekend. It's pretty exciting. I love some fireworks. If anyone isn't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. I'll link the last year's fireworks down below at Crystal Palace, but I'm in Chiswick today. Oh my god, I actually don't look like an animal. It's a bit better. So I am gonna do that, and I'm excited to see some fireworks. And of course it's raining. Typical. So, just a bit of an outro. I'm holding the I didn't talk about anything about what happened and where we went out. But yeah, so I went to see Sam at Ministry and all of the Defected people. The Defected crew, it was so nice to see everyone play. And I haven't seen them in ages since we've been filming because we're editing stuff now. So it's been crazy with all the stuff at the moment. Like, I have so much going on. It's been quite difficult to do a lot with this documentary, but we started editing, so that's a good thing. Like, at least we're getting somewhere. But yeah, it was really nice to see Sam play. She was absolutely amazing as usual. Like, her sets are getting even more and more popular. Like, it's so crazy to see how far she's gone, even from the year that I've seen her, the year that I started filming with her. It's just nuts, absolutely nuts. So like, it's really good to see that kind of support from her fans, and literally everyone I spoke to in the crowd was like, I love her. So I was like, oh, like, it's so nice to hear, and I can't wait to get this like documentary out for everyone to see. So yeah, it was really a lot of fun, and I had a really good time, and this week is just kind of boring, so see you guys in the next vlog. Goodbye.